Hey everyone, this is Sunglass Rob from SportRx, and I'm here with my friend and fishing coach, Todd Big Daddy Woods. He's a professional angler and a Costa-sponsored fisherman, and I'm kind of getting into this sport with the help of Todd, and I'm not sure, I'm going to go out and get a bait caster next, and I'm not sure if I'm a right-handed or a left-handed fisherman, so how do I know? What do I do?
Well, that's a good question, Rob. My first question to you, are you right-handed or are you left-handed?
I'm right-handed.
Okay,
yeah.
So you're right-handed, and I'm actually right-handed too, but I've been fishing for over 30 years.
Yeah.
If I had it all over again, I would probably use what's called, this is considered a left-handed reel. A right-handed reel. The handle is on the right.
Okay.
However, the disadvantage of this is when you go to make a cast, like that with your right hand, which most people make a cast with their right hand, and then they take their left hand and grab the reel.
So you're doing a little switcheroosies.
And they do a little switcheroo. Well, if you throw a bait out, and sometimes that fish will eat that bait right when it hits the water.
Yeah.
So if that happens and you go to do this switcheroo, like you said, you're gonna lose that fish.
Oh.
Okay, so nowadays, they actually make reels that have the handle on the left-hand side.
Okay.
But they call those left-hand reels, which is kind of interesting. Obviously, the reason why they call it is because you reel it on the left-hand side.
So do you switch every time?
So I have to switch every time, being right-handed. And all my reels are right-handed. But for someone like yourself, I would use a left-handed reel because you can cast with your right hand,
and then
you can reel with your left.
Okay.
And when we catch fish, we set the hook. Okay, so when you're setting the hook, which hand do you think you would rather use, your dominant hand or your
dominant hand?
Exactly. Yeah. So there's another advantage. If you're right-handed, you set the hook with your right hand, and then you keep reeling. So you're doing everything all at once. You use your dominant hand, you get the hook through the fish, and you reel them in that way.
So even though I'm right-handed, I should get a left-handed reel?
Yes.
Okay.
Yes, that's my professional opinion.
And you, if you can go back in time, that's how you would have started?
That's how I would do it.
And is it too late to switch? You're just so used to it?
Well, a quick story, years ago, about 10 or so years ago, I broke my right arm.
Oh.
And it was during the spring when fishing was really good.
Yeah.
So I learned how to cast with my left hand.
Oh.
And so after about a week, I was very proficient at casting in my left hand.
Okay.
So I'd cast my left hand and reel in with my right, and it was really a perfect situation. But then after my arm healed, I switched back to the other way. So.
All right, well, hopefully that was helpful on if you're a right or left-handed fisher person. If you have any more questions, please leave a comment down in the comments section. Hopefully this video was helpful. Please give it a thumbs up, and we'd love for you to subscribe to the channel. Later.